Good morning. Good morning. So today's topic is simple interest and compound interest. As I already covered two classes of simple interest and compound interest. So we are continue the topic. We are uh, solving how to calculate simple interest and compound interest. So our first question is to a man borrow two sums of 1,000 and 1,500, which are to be returned in 3 years and 4 years respectively at the same rate of interest. If the total interest payable is 13,135.0, then find the annual rate of interest. So as question says, we solve it. All of you know the formula of simple interest. Simple interest equals to principal rate of interest time divided by 100. So first simple interest is 1, principal is 1,000, and rate no not known, or year 3 year. So this is 30. And for simple interest 2 is principal is 1,500, and we need to find out the rate and how many years, 4 years. So this is 60. So total interest is 1350. So total interest SI1 plus SI2 equals to 1350. So it is how much? 60 plus 30 is 90 R 1350. So it becomes 99 2 za, no 9 1 za, and how much left here? 4 5 za. So rate of interest is 15%. So option number second is the right answer. So next question is the sum of money that yields a compound interest of 420 during a second year, means compound interest for second year is 2 420 and 5% per annum. So 5% means 1 by 20. So this is our principal. So if principal for 1 year is 20, then because we need to calculate for 2 year, because we have the value of a second year compound interest. So how much principal in second year? 400. So let's see the how much interest at a rate of 5%. How much interest first year? First year is 20, and second year is also 20. But now second year, our first year interest is principal is first year, and second year first year interest 20 and second year interest become 20 and 5% add. So this is 1, because in compound interest, after coming interest we are include and make a principal, like 420 is our principal for second year. So to make the problem easy, we are considering 400 is for second year, and then calculate from here to make calculation easy. So it is 25% of 20 is 1. So total interest in second year is 20%. So total interest is second year in 21, and how much given in question? 420. So 1 unit means 20. So how much principal? Principal is 400. So we need to find out the sum of money, means we need to find out the principal for second year. So this is 400. So the value becomes 8,000. So option number first is the right answer. Rekha invested a sum of 12,000 at 5% per annum compound interest. She received an amount 13230 after n years. Find the n. So here the compound interest. First step, you to see the question from compound interest or simple interest. So compound interest, so we have the formula, because here is amount is given, principal is given, rate of interest is given, so we need to find out the value of n. So I have formula, amount equals to principal 1 plus rate of interest divided by 100 into n. I have 13230, and how much principal? 12,000, and rate of interest is 5%, so 5 by 100 means 1 by 20, and 1 plus 1 by 20 becomes 21 divided by 20, so this is 21 divided by 20 to the power n. So 13230 divided by x. So our aim is to make this fraction into 21 raised to 20. So how if I cut this value from 4 no 6 4 yeah 4 3 ja, how is it possible? 4 ja and 4 ja and 1 3 3 4 ja 12 and 3 4 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12 and 3 1 ja 3. So this is square of 21, this is square of 20, so the value of n is 2. So option number 3 is right answer. Are you getting my point? If fast, then tell me in comment section, I will improve myself. Suman invested a some similar question, so we are doing similar question. So amount equals to principal. If we solve more question, then clarity becomes automatically, so we have to practice more number of question. Rate of interest is 20%. 20% means 20 by 100 means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 1. To make the calculation easy, I am writing like this, so that calculation be easy. 6048 divided by 3500, and this is 6 by 5 to the power n. So our aim to make this fraction in 6 to 5 raised to 6 raised to 5. So first 2 3 ja 2 ja 2 4 ja 1750. Okay, again we are cut it 2 6 ja 8 ja 1512. So 1512 is 875. Only we have to way to calculate is by this, but our aim to make this is, and 6 to 5, is it divisible by 6? 6 2 ja 3 remains, 6 5 ja and 6 2 ja. Is it divisible by 6? 4 and 4 and 2. Is it divisible by 6? Oh, 6 7 ja. Similarly 875. Aim is to make 6 raised to 5. So first try to, it is divisible by 5. 5 1 ja, then 3 ja, no 3 remains, so 7 ja. 1 7 5 5 3 ja and 5 ja, so 5 7 ja. 7 and 7 gets cancelled, so it becomes 6 by 5 to the power 3. So the value of n is 3. So option number 3 is the right answer. If at the same rate of interest in 2 years, the simple interest is 48 and compound interest compound annually is 54. Then what is the principal in rupees? For 2 years we have direct formula for this. Compound interest minus simple interest equals to p r to the power square divided by 100k square, but we are not able to find the rate of interest. So simple interest increase same amount, 24 into 20%, this is divided by 2, this become 24. So simple interest in first year and second year, but compound interest is first year 24. First year compound interest and simple interest is same, but second year we what additional I get? 6, because 54 is a how here is my pointer, 54 is a 24 plus 32, so we get 6 more than by 1 24 into 100, so it is 25. So our rate of interest is 25. So 54 minus 48 equals to, we need to find out the principal. Rate of interest is 24 and 100 into 100. This is 4, this is 4, this is 6. So principal becomes 96. 16 and 16 6 ja 96. So option number second is right answer. Thank you so much for your attention, and welcome you all in my next class. Thank you so much.